Hi friends, so today I will let you know how to add employee categories in eSSL software e-time track. So चलिए चलते हैं. Let me log in eSSL software. So we are able to log in on that software. So let's go to masters and employee categories. Like if you have multiple categories for your employee, like uh, HR department, IT department, finance department, or any multiple departments. So you can, create the categories and you can select these users into one categories list. Okay, so how let's click on add. Okay, like categories IT, short name also you can put there, and like consider you can also calculate it that you can check all the things. That's a consider only the first thing, last one and at calculated 15 minutes OT. Though if you can check uh, as per your company requirement, you can select the things, these points. If not required, then you no need to check these points. Okay, so by default I'm not mm, clicking any other things, so just only I will show you how to add the categories. Okay, so I'm putting the name and short name, that's add. So it is the edit the categories. Okay, you can add the more categories here from in this list and add your company employee as per the categories. So this will help you to how to add the categories in eSSL software. So thank you so much for watching the video. Please like, share and comments. Thank you. Have a good day.